Hi, this is Faith and Gabby's 110 term project video. We have decided to discuss how computer science and government interact and the importance of computer science in government at different levels. First, we'll be going over computer science in local government. By local government, we're talking about government of the affairs of a town or district, so town and city councils, police departments, etc. Local government is notorious for being time-consuming and often ineffective. Computer science is being introduced in some of these governments in a push to modernize their processes. Apps allowing residents to buy fishing licenses, check transit schedules, or pay local taxes on time widen the accessibility of local governments. Additionally, government agencies are partnering with each other to share information and to simplify experiences for citizens. For example, some local governments allow the option of signing up for multiple services across departments in tandem. These developments have improved many citizens' experiences in their local governments. Another major development is the rise of risk assessment algorithms and predictive policing in local police departments. Risk assessment algorithms relay the likelihood an individual will commit another crime and wind up back behind bars. And predictive policing uses data analytics and algorithms to better pinpoint where and when a crime might occur. These practices are widespread across the United States, and though they have lowered crime rates, issues of racial discrimination and biases have been brought up in regards to these algorithms. The push to digitize in government is not just in city halls, but also on a larger scale in national government organizations. This push has been seen across all government organizations, but we're going to focus on the FBI and Census Bureau's efforts as examples. Before the 2000s, the FBI was using a clunky and ineffective file system created decades earlier. In 2001, the FBI decided to put millions of dollars to fund a virtual file system. Limited workforce, poor planning, and code bloat led to the project's demise. This over-budget and over-scheduled project was scrapped and had to be replaced by a completely new and costly program. The FBI virtual file is one of the most notorious IT fails in United States history. The Census Bureau's digitization of the 2020 census will most likely widen the accessibility of the census and therefore provide more accurate data on the population of the United States. Unfortunately, the test runs have been scoped down because of funding issues, and some are questioning the Bureau's ability to complete the digitization. Hopefully, this organization will be more successful than the FBI with their virtual case file. On a broader scale, computer science has become important for national security. Major organizations like the NSA have relied upon computer science to protect the country from virtual and physical attacks. Policy related to computer science is increasing in the United States government as more citizens and policymakers have begun to understand its benefits and risks. This can also be said for international governance. Advancement of tech has led to hacking and the development of high-tech weaponry resulting in increased cyber warfare. Major organizations like the United Nations, the Council of Europe, and more have created policies regarding these multinational issues. This policy is incredibly important and must evolve at the same speed as computer science evolves, making it one of the most vital sectors of policymaking. Lastly, we would like to briefly overview some of the jobs for computer scientists or those interested in policy related to computer science. Many local governments are in need of developers willing to put effort into the creation of apps and policing systems like those discussed earlier. The more well-known computer science job opportunities are at the national levels, building and maintaining the computer networks and technology or organizations like the IRS and FBI. For those with a more international interests, intelligence agencies like the CIA and multinational organizations also need developers and educated policymakers. Computer science has become essential to all levels of government. It is important to encourage ethical and impassioned computer scientists to consider careers in the government sector, and also important to encourage policymakers to learn more about computer science as it has become more and more vital to American society and internationally. Thank you for watching.